What's going on, everybody? It's Mikey Will here, giving you guys another YouTube tutorial on the MX650. I know there's a lot of commotion about the brakes on this bike. In my opinion, they're garbage. I would call them a 3 out of 10. But I bought some Electro & Company brakes that I'm going to put on, and I'm going to show you how. We got to take all the old stuff off. So we got to start with the handlebars. Voltmeter screw, loosen that up, and you'll see this comes off slowly. Also forgot to take this razor thing in. Slide that on like this. I actually didn't get it all the way off because the current brakes are still really tight on there. So, gotta remove the tires first and then show you what's next. Here you will need a 3/4 socket wrench and either an adjustable wrench or I can't remember what size wrench it is. Alright, to take the chain off, you have to push down on this little chain tensioner right here. And you see how the chain gets a little bit of slack. And at that point you could just pull it off this way. Yep, this chain's a little bit loose, so it's a little bit easier. And then you take it off the rear like that. Alright, now they've got the back tire off. You can just place it down here. Grab your Allen key wrench. It's not focusing. Grab your Allen key wrench. Find which one. I don't know what size. I'm going to show you guys in a second. And just put take the old rotor off. Put the new rotor on. Actually, I'm not sure if you can see that. Make sure the arrows are going the same way. The arrow is right here. Yep, okay. And you see, it's very easy to take off. So, now I'm going to take off the back caliper for the brakes, which would be right here. What you're gonna want to do, take your this is 4-inch. Oh, no, it's 5-inch. Everything from the factory is super tight. Got full grease into it. since we're not changing the wire or anything, we're just giving it the whole thing, so I'm just gonna actually just try to snag the whole thing off. Remember to keep the same screws. You will need them. Take this screw out too to unloosen the actual brake cord, because I feel like you can't just take this through the whole frame. There's a little clip in there. You won't be able to get the caliper through. There we go. Now it should be nice and loose. Back like that. In case you want to use this again or something, or for something else or whatever. Caliper. Let's do a fork. Alright, we're gonna do the rear brake first. Going to run this right through the motor, right up next to the motor, so it comes right almost like factory. Alright, so you're gonna pull it down just like that, right in there, bop bop. Another quick little thing, there is a little yellow like tab in there for the brakes. Don't forget to take that out before you put your rotor on, or you'll have extreme problems. Basically, you'll never get it on just because it's like a block. But I'll have to grab the wheel right now. Now that we got the wheel back on after a bunch of shenanigans and brakes and all that other BS. Alright, this is where your chain tensioner comes in clutch. This is where your chain tensioner comes in clutch, obviously. Look, I can't get my finger to that. Alright, so get your finger under here. I can't get my finger all the way down. Oh, there we go. Yep. I want you guys to see that. Clamp. Back to normal. Alright, that's pretty cool. So for this one, you will need a 11/16 socket wrench for the front, and a corresponding wrench to go to the other side, or an adjusting wrench. This goes right here, obviously. That's on the other side. We can take off this. Alright, so now this is done. Alright, we're gonna come back with the other side, the front brake.
Trying to find me, still trying to figure out the mind piece, looking for the love inside me.
Alright, now that everything is on and installed the way I like it, now it's time to tidy up the wires, and let me show you guys what that's gonna look like in one quick second. Alright, and that is what it looks like completed, guys. Stay tuned for more. I got some more updates and stuff. Like I'll show you guys how to build this headlight, this 12-volt headlight. It is super bright with a limit switch, and there's some other stuff coming to you guys, so stay tuned. Peace.